Yo, you ever get that itch? And I don't mean the itch from a long night of drinks and bad decisions. I mean like the itch, like I want to build something. I need a new drone. You need something hard, but I got no money, got no job. I got to work on something. Maybe the sun's gone down and you're out of packs and you've flown for the day, but you still want to keep the FPV thing going. But we're broke. We have no money. Your girl won't let you spend money. Coming up with lint. Busted your things to shreds. Like you've got 2 days till you meet up with your homies and you want to pull up with something fresh and new and make everybody go, whoa! Be like, oh my God, look at my quad. Well, in this episode, we're going to build a full quad with nothing but spare parts and spend zero money. Welcome back to AGL. So I know in this mess of things over here, I have parts of frames, used motors, used ESCs, used flight controllers, used RXs, used cameras. They're in parts, in pieces, possibly broken. Look, I got flight control and VTXs and RXs and you know what's in here? Battery straps, hey, LEDs, motors, more motors, a bunch of on my desk. Oh, I got this O3 Air Unit spare, antennas, a spare. Maybe it works, I don't know. Flight controllers laying everywhere. I'm gonna put this to use today. So, what motors am I gonna use? I think I'm gonna go with these RC and Power Smooks. Not the most durable, but I absolutely love how these fly. Now we need a flight controller. Here's a ESC. Hopefully that works. Yeah, here we go. Now I need an RX. What do I got? Shit. Damn, I need an RX. Oh, there's one. Got one. Woo! Add it to the bucket. All right, let's grab a VTX. Let's go with this one. Add it to the box. All right, now I need a frame. Oh, look at this antique. Oh, sync mode, spare parts. Yes. All right, yo, spare frame parts. See if we got enough. That won't work. I don't even know why that's in there. Oh, here we go. Arms, bottom plate. Oh, we got enough. Oh, it's cracked. A little bit of glue won't hurt. All right, cool. So I found enough spare parts to put together a frame. They're all kind of busted and broken, so we're going to paint them. And I want you to come with me because I have this super scientific, specific way I paint my quads. Let's go. All right, this is my super sophisticated way I paint drones. Get you some graffiti paint. Just spray that shit. Spray your drones. Paint them. Way cooler. Go to your local graffiti store. Get you some Montana. Shit is fire. I mean, you can get what you want. If you don't have a graffiti store in your area, go to your local art supplier. They might have it. If not, I guess you got to order online. All right, paint job done. Look, it looks all sick. I got the pink highlights. Looks like the Incredible Hulk and the Easter Bunny got together and had a baby drone. All right, we have arms. Yo, this is looking good. Air unit complete. Oh, I didn't see you there. All right, we are done. I managed to take enough spare parts and put together a tight little build. We're gonna charge up some packs, find a place to rip. Let's go see if she even flies. All right, here we go. Nice little spot in the cut. All right, we're here, ready to hopefully fly. For the record, I don't usually fly these. Just didn't want to, in case this explodes or is back or I don't know. So yeah, let's plug in and see if she rips. Good. We're hovering. We're moving. That's good. Turning. We're flipping. Okay, we're ripping. Haha, let's go. We're ripping. Damn, it's windy. What the hell? Dang, these props aren't so bad. Whoa! Nobody saw me do that. Just playing. Let's go. Whoa. Easy. Shaky fingers. I don't know why. Oh, is that someone on the trail? Shit. Gotta bounce. Alright, we had success. Maiden flight complete. This thing is popping. There's a lot of joggers walking around here, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. Yo, this was a nice rip, and honestly, like, I never really messed with these props too much, and yo, it's like dumb windy, and there's people walking around here, but that was the Maiden flight. I'm gonna head back to the crib. Yo, thanks for watching ATL. I'll catch you next time.